Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning into another one. So for this video, we are so close to Valentine's Day, and I wanted to give you guys a cute look that you guys can recreate. So if you would like the full details on how to get this look, just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my ColourPop concealer, and this is in the shade dark number 44, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my eyelids. As you guys can see, I already did my brows off camera, and all I used was the MAC eye pencil, and it is in the color Spiked. And then I concealed my eyebrows with my LA Pro Girl conceal, and it's in the color Chestnut. And I like to use that color to conceal my brows just because it's almost perfect. Like, you can see it a little bit. It's a little bit more of a yellow undertone that concealer is, but it's the closest that they have to my shade, so I always use Chestnut to conceal my brows. So now I'm going to go ahead and start blending this concealer in. And this is a dry beauty blender. I just like to use it to pat the concealer in. Excuse my faces that I be making when I'm like trying to focus. I have to get better with that, because when I look back on my videos, I'm like, girl, you should not have been making those faces. Like, I look crazy. And guys, pardon me if I'm sounding a little bit nasally. I do have a bit of a cold. That's why I haven't been recording as much as I usually do. But I'm just gonna have to, we're gonna have to work through it. Like, the cold ain't gonna stop us. This cold is not gonna stop me. So I'm sniffing throughout the video. Guys, I'm really sorry. I gotta breathe. So guys, this is my first Valentine's Day look, so I feel like you cannot do a Valentine's Day look without using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. This is definitely still one of my favorite palettes to this day. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the shade Love Letter. I'm gonna start buffing that in. Oh my god, y'all, I miss makeup so much. Like, I've been sick and I've like not been, you know, just in the mood to do makeup, but feeling this brush hit my face like this, like, I missed it. Like, I really did. So for this look, I'm going for more of a round look. So instead of blowing it out, you know, towards this way, I'm just going to use small circular motions. Ooh. I'm going to use small circular motions just to blend it out. And this shade never fails me. Like, Love Letter is one of my favorite shades that's in the Modern Renaissance palette. Definitely going for more of a sultry look just because it is Valentine's Day coming up. And ladies, like, alright, look, there is a million YouTube videos out there. There's no reason that you can't put together a quick beat. Like, something very quick, something not too intricate, something easy. I'm gonna go into my Kiss This Whole Ass palette, and this is a palette that my boyfriend got me for Christmas, and I really did want this palette. It's very cute. It's very cute. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna take this pink shade right here, and the shade is called Meow. I just think it's so beautiful. I love using circular motions because I feel like it blends the two colors together seamlessly. So small circular motions is always what I go to. So I'm going to go back into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm going to get this chocolate shade right here. Cypress Umber is one of my favorite chocolatey shades. So I'm going to go ahead and dip into that and put that directly into my crease. I'm going to put that directly into my crease. And then for a tiny bit of extraness, I'm going to go back into this palette right here. I'm going to use this black shade, but I'm only going to take a very little bit of the shade because I don't want to completely ruin the look. So I'm going to take a hint of black, and I'm going to go right in directly over this brown shade that I just did. And as you can see, it just darkened it up really quick, but it is so pretty. but you just want to be careful not to go in heavy with the black, because black can either make the look or it could really break it, so you definitely have to be careful. Next, I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl Conceal, and this is in the color Light Ivory, and like I said, this is the lightest concealer that I have, so I always love using this for my cut crease. So when you're going for a cut crease, you always want to use the lightest concealer shade that you can find, just because it makes the colors pop out a little bit more. And is it me, or does anybody, like, I hold my breath when I'm doing my cut creases. It's like a life or death type situation. So this is how the cut crease is looking, and I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry, and I'm gonna start focusing on this area a little bit more. So now I'm gonna go in with my NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to pop that right on top of that concealer. And all you need is a thin layer of this for it to work. And this is very creamy, almost like the consistency of a concealer. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pat this on like so. I'm going to use this NYX glitter, and this is in the shade Rouge, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my cut crease. Okay, so this is how we are looking with the eyeliner on. So I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and do my other eye, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so here I am with the final eye look. I went ahead and did my eyeliner, as well as added some lashes. The lashes I used today were Lashed by Shay, and these are in the style Bliss. And I love these eyelashes because they are super dramatic, and they're very fluffy, and they're really pretty. So if you like lashes like this, I'm gonna go ahead and link her information in the description box below. That way you can go purchase your own pair of Lashed by Shay lashes. I'll be using my Cover FX blurring primer. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and this is in the shade NW50. And I love this because it has such great coverage on it. Like, as you can see right now, like, compared, it has amazing coverage. And I do have a little bit of light spots on my face as far as down here, so I really do want to show you guys that it covers up everything. As you can see, that light spot is now gone. So for my concealer today, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution, and this is in the shade C13. I'm going to take a damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend it in. So for setting powder, I'm going to go ahead and use chalk dust, and this is in the shade Y. And start patting that in. You don't need a lot for this to be effective, and I really do love this setting powder. Like, it's so dope. I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion palette. I'm going to dip back into the chalk dust powder. And then I'm going to go ahead and start contouring around my hairline. And go down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to go ahead and take a nice dense brush, and I'm going to go ahead and brush away my setting powder. I'm going to go back into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to go back in with the same color that I used on my eyelids. It's called Love Letter. Next, I'm going to go in with my crayon case highlighter. Then I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus Coat Light. My Pixie, and this is in the shade Peony Pink. It's so creamy, guys. This shade is so creamy. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another one of my videos. I really truly appreciate it. If you did like the video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. Also, please make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you think of the look. Let me know if you will be recreating this. That way, if you do, I can repost it on my Instagram. And also, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We made it to the end of the video, so I'm assuming that you did like it. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, click that notification bell right next to the subscribe button. That way you can be notified whenever I post a video. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.